In today's video, hopefully I will send you hours of time trying to install this printer right here from MUNBYN on your Mac computer. If you're like me and you do Kickstarters or maybe e-commerce, I have printed off thousands of labels using my Rollo printer, which is dying, and then also this other printer over here from Comer, which is really annoying. So I'm opting for a faster printer that is also better quality at 300 DPI. And so first of all, to set this thing up, it's fairly intuitive. There are two plugs in the back. We've got the power cable as well as a USB. That USB can either be regular USB or USB-C. They are thoughtful enough to give you an adapter. Cool, huh? Now, once that is in, go ahead and there's a little rocker switch right back there. You can't quite see it, but I can turn it off and turn it on. You can feel it super easy. To open this up, push this button like so, and we can load in our 4x6 labels. Some labels are really finicky and end up jamming. I spent a lot of time trying to perfect and find the optimal 4x6 labels. These are fantastic, and I will tag them in the video if you want to save some heartache. So go ahead and load them like that. Put this down. It will automatically generate one. It's kind of a shame that you have to waste one, but that's just what it does to align everything. And once that is plugged into the back of your Mac computer, you are good to go set up the driver. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you go into this window right here, your printers and scanners, you'll notice that the printer doesn't show up over there. That's because you need to install the driver. And so go to this website right there, munbyn.biz/941bd. That will lead you to this page right here, at which point you will download this zip file and simply follow the instructions, double click that. Eventually, if you are Windows based, you would double click the .exe. Of course, I am Mac based, and so I double clicked the DMG, which is already moved to my trash automatically because I've already installed it. Basically, follow along with the right one that you installed the driver. Then, once you go over here and you click that plus sign under printers and scanners, check this out. Oh, look at this. There is our printer right there. Now, you can't actually use it until you choose the driver, which we just installed over here, right? So now that it's installed, click on this, select software. It's going to pop up this window, and there's a ton of drivers. Just type in MUN, and look at that. There's our label printer. Remember, ours is 300 DPI, as indicated on the box right there, 300 DPI. Click on OK. We are loaded when we click Add. And look at that, there we go. Let's go ahead and actually open up a test document, shall we? Let's just try this one right here, just for giggles. And of course, we do need to do a quick little edit to make it perfectly black and white, because as you well know, with these printers, they don't do grayscale, they just do black and white. So hit Command P, we're gonna go up here, we're gonna select the printer that we just installed, which is right there. And right when we click print, watch how fast this is. And go. Hey, and just like that, we are good to go.